Chillers and boilers often run when they shouldn't, causing huge energy waste, and most VMS dashboards won't tell you. In this video, I'll show you how to use your CIM account to pull 12 months of real-time data, analyze it, and build a clear lockout chart in just a few minutes. Let's get started. This is the chart we'll be building together. It shows the annual run hours of 2 chillers grouped by outdoor temperature. The red shading represents the lockout range, the outdoor temperature range where chillers shouldn't be running for cooling. With this one chart, you can see how your chillers are actually performing across all seasons, not just at a point in time. We're going to build this chart in 4 quick steps. First, we'll export the data from Peak Charts. Then we'll use Excel to insert a pivot table and chart the results. And finally, we'll track and share the insights in Peak. Let's jump into the workflow. Step 1, exporting the data. In Peak Charts, start by adding the weather and temperature to the chart. Click the calculator icon and select Floor, so we can group the run hours by outdoor temperature bins. Next, add equipment to select your chillers and choose the status point for each. In this building, we have 2 chillers. Chiller 1 and Chiller 2. Scroll down and set the date range to 12 months. Once it's loaded, we can see the real-time trend performance across the past 12 months. Click on the hamburger menu, then click Split None. Click the hamburger icon again, and then click Pivot Table to load the data in a pivot table format, and click on the Export CSV button to export it as a CSV file. Step 2, inserting a pivot table in Excel. Open the CSV file in Excel, go to Insert, click Pivot Table, and OK. For the rows, drag in the floored weather temperature. For the values, click on Chiller 1 and Chiller 2 statuses to add each chiller's run hours. Now, step 3, charting the pivot table results. Click into the pivot table and then click Pivot Chart. Move it to a new sheet to see the results. And voila, we have our chiller run hours grouped by outside temperature across 12 months. We can change our chart type, click on Design to transform it into a line chart for easier analysis. If you're presenting your findings, spend a few minutes in Excel to format your chart. Now for the final step, tracking and sharing your insights. Go back to the original Peak chart. Scroll to open the chart settings. Scroll down and click the Create Action button. Enter a title for our action. This will bookmark the URL for the data that we have. Click Create. And in the attachments, we'll drag and drop the Excel spreadsheet that we just downloaded, as well as an image of the screenshot. That's it. You've got a powerful lockout analysis in under 3 minutes.